Hello students, you are highly welcome in my channel, and this is English Fluency Talk. Today we are going to learn how to read letters that has vowel E in them. Remember that last time I said that E is a vowel letter and it sounds to be A. So if you count from vowel letters, which is A, E, O, A. Okay, so E sounds to be A. Here sound is much more important than anything. We can see that we have a sound even if it's written E, but it is not E in the reality, it is A. Here we have A, B, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, V, W, Y, and then Z. I already taught this in the other videos, so you can go back and check and then you watch. I believe that you will learn them well. E doesn't sound like E because E, that is an alphabet, but then in a vowel it sounds A. Read the words, then take dictation. So here we are going to learn how to read it and write it in the same time. Let us move on. This one is B, okay? B-E or B-A is B. Let us not use E, let us not say E, let us just say A, just for the sake of sound, okay? This is A plus D, okay? A plus D, it sounds to be bed, but this one alone is A, okay? A with L, it is L. With F, it is elf. And then F plus A, okay? This F, A plus F, A is fe, plus D, it is fed. G, A, okay, that is ge, plus T, this T here, that is get. This one is a hair here, this hair here. With N, it becomes hen. And then J, A, okay, J, A, that is J, plus this T, that is jet. We have K, A, okay, this is A, that is K. K plus G, that is keg. This one is a G. And then L, A, that is le. Le plus G, leg. And then M, A, that is me. Me plus N, that is men. We have ne. We have this N here plus A, that is ne. And then plus this T, it is net. And then P plus A, that is pe, plus this N, it is pen. And then R plus A, that is re, plus this D, it is red. And S, okay, this S here, S plus A, that is se, okay. And then if you add this T, it becomes set. And then T plus A, that is te. Then plus this N, that is 10. Let us see this V plus E, that is, or A, that is ve. With S, it becomes vest, okay. And then where, which is consonant plus vowel A, that is where, plus this B, it will become web. and then consonant L plus vowel A, okay, that is le, with X become lex. Consonant Y plus vowel A, that is yeah, with this T, then it becomes yet. Here we are just mixing consonants with vowels. These first letters, okay, like this one is consonant, and then A is vowel, D is consonant, A is vowel. Also these last ones are also consonants. Yes, consonant and consonants. Those last letters are also consonants. So here the first letter is consonant, second letters are vowel, and then the last letter is a consonant. Yeah, that's what you need to know. Here we are going to match the pictures with their names. Picture number 1, we have bed, which is ending with D, okay, and then picture number 2, we have bell, which is starting with BE. Picture number 3, we have egg, which is actually starting with E, and then picture number 4, we have hen, okay, which is starting with H. In this picture, we are going to choose its name here. Yeah, you can see that we have, okay, bed, which is ending with D. Therefore we have, okay, bed, okay, bed plus this bear plus this D, it gives us bed. Remember, this is consonant and this one is vowel. Yeah, and also this one is consonant as well. So we have here bell, that starts with B E, okay, this one is consonant, and this one is vowel, okay. Because it's a bell, then we have double L here. And then picture number 3, we have egg. Egg start with A or E, as we said before, okay. E plus double G, this give us egg, okay. And then hen start with a consonant H, and then you put the A, it becomes hair, and then if you add the N, then finally it is hen. Hair plus N, it is hen. Picture number 5, here we have 2 men, not only 1 but 2. Start with M plus A, this is already me, and then if you add N, it gives us men. And then what about this one? This one is a net for catching fish. Start with consonant N, okay, plus vowel A, this is ne, okay. If you add consonant T, then it gives you net. And picture number 7, we have P for pen, okay, this is pe, consonant. If you add the vowel A, yeah, you get pe plus N, that is pen. And then picture number 8, we have web, okay. Web starts with consonant W, web, okay, plus vowel B, it becomes web. What about picture number 9? Picture number 9, it is actually a vest, okay. Vest starts with consonant V, okay, and vowel E, that is ve, and then you add these two, st, it becomes vest. Yeah, simple like that. And then what about this one, picture number 10? As you can see, Picture number 10, it starts with consonant T, okay? Yeah, T, vowel E, that is te, okay? Te plus N becomes 10. Let me hope that you got it. If you understood, please remember to subscribe, like, and then share. Here, we are going to fill the gaps with A. Then we read the words. Yeah, you can either say E or A, but remember here we are dealing with consonants and vowel. We have F, which is consonant, and then A, vowel, double L, consonant. Yeah, therefore this two becomes fe. Fe plus L become fel. And here we have consonant D plus vowel A, okay, that is de. And then you add this consonant N, it becomes den. Yeah, then consonant B plus vowel A, that is be. Then be plus this consonants double L becomes bell. Consonant J plus vowel A, that is J, okay? J plus T becomes jet. Then here we have a consonant T plus vowel A, that is T, okay? These ones are T. Then T plus consonant N becomes 10. Vowel W plus consonant A, that is we, okay? We plus consonant T becomes wet. And then here we have consonant B plus vowel A, okay? That is, this is be, then plus D. But this D is also a consonant, yeah? It becomes bed. Consonant P plus vowel A, that is pe, okay? This is pe. Pe plus consonant N, it becomes pen. Then consonant L plus vowel A, it becomes le. And then this one is le. Le plus G becomes leg. Consonant R plus vowel A, that is re, okay? Re. Re plus D becomes red. Consonant L plus vowel A becomes le, and then this le plus T, which is the also consonant, becomes let. And then consonant S plus vowel A, it becomes se, okay? This is se. And then se plus T becomes set. Consonant M plus vowel A, this is me. Me plus consonant T becomes also met. Consonant B plus vowel A becomes be. And then be plus this G, which is a consonant, becomes beg. And consonant G plus vowel A becomes ge. If you add, this is ge, if you add the T, becomes get. And which is a consonant with A, that is ne, okay? This one is ne. If you add the ST, because this alone is st, they're all consonant and consonants, yeah, becomes nest. Consonant S plus vowel A, okay, becomes se. This is se. Se plus vowel double L become cell. And then this one is M plus A becomes me. Okay, this is me. If you add the n, becomes men. And then this one is h, a, hair, hair plus n, hen. And then this one is l, a, okay, which is le. Then le plus x actually becomes legs. Yeah, that is how you can play with the consonant, consonant, and consonant vowel. Yeah, therefore let us read these sentences while breaking them into pieces to actually give us a full meaning. We have a, okay, a, ka, this is ka, c, a is ka, with t, cat, ha, a, net. Okay, this one is ha, and this is s, has. And then here we have ne with t, becomes a net. Okay, a cat has a net. And then this is it, this one alone is a. Yeah, is, e and e, but this e has t, this e has s. It is ve, this is ve, ve, very wet. Okay, w, a is wet. Okay, with t it is wet. Remember to subscribe if you like it. Number 3, we have hair. This one is hair. H, a is hair, with n is hen. I already thought about this also. We are just repeating the same thing but in a sentence form. A, hen, ha. H, a is ha, with s gives you has. Has eggs. Okay, with eggs. Eggs, when there are many, plural, it is eggs, but if it's one, you say an egg. But here we have eggs. And then a, rat, this is a ra, a is ra, with t, rat. Ha, ha is ha, if you add the s is has. Legs. Okay, a is le, with g, legs. And then you add the s is the one that makes it his. Then 5, hair. Okay, ha is hair, with n, hen. Is wet, w, a is wet. Okay, this is wet, with t is wet. Yeah, here we're just playing with consonant and vowel. And then this is le, la is le, with t, let. The man, ma is me, with n is man. Get, okay, this is get, with t. A, net. Okay, ne, n, a is ne, with t is t, a net. A net, this is ne, with t, net. Is in a car. Yeah, this r is silent. This is e, with t, it is a red. Okay, red plus d, red. And yeah, this is jam, a, this ja, and then m is jam. Okay, in a full pronunciation. And then here we have a wet. Okay, this is where plus this is where plus this t, wet. Ma is ma. Okay, with n is man. Ha, a net.